हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम करने वाले हैं एक नायका का हॉल। इट्स बीन सो लॉन्ग, मैंने नायका का हॉल नहीं किया है। आई थिंक 6-7 महीने हो गए हैं। एंड आई वाज so much wanted to do this haul. Recently there was a pink sale on Nykaa and I shopped quite a lot. So I just wanted to show you what all I got. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribe my channel till yet, please take a moment to subscribe. It will mean so much to me. Ensure you hit the notification button, like the video, share it with your friends, and now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, pretty much I got a lot of makeup and a little bit of skincare. So in no particular order, we'll start looking at the things that I got, and probably I'll tell you why I got them. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing that I got is this Lakme Absolute Skin Natural Mousse. So this is actually kind of a foundation which is in a mousse texture. So this comes in a black glossy packaging. I like the packaging and I love how it looks from inside. It looks so beautiful. So this is how it looks. So this is the jar that it comes in, and this just looks so beautiful. I love the packaging, and this is how the consistency looks. It's like a mousse, as you can see. This is exactly what it is. I haven't tried it yet. Probably I will do a look using all of the products that I bought, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, just if I tell you, this is in the shade Ivory Fair, and we'll see how it goes on me, but I think the shade should be pretty much okay. Moving on to the next thing, so I got this NYX Professional Makeup. This is Everything Lip Oil. I think I have shown it earlier as well in my channel. I love this lip oil. It's so beautiful. Like when you use it, it will give you hydration and such a glossy effect. Like if you're not a lipstick person, if you are a lip gloss person, or even a lip balm person, this actually works as both. It stays for a very long time, and it makes your lips so juicy and lustrous and beautiful, exactly what you want your lips to look like. So guys, the next thing that I got is this NYX Buff Master. This is a silicone brush cleaner. This is how the packaging comes. It's the pretty much standard Nykaa packaging, the pink packaging, and this is how the brush cleaner looks like. So this is where the Nykaa print is there, and this is the brush cleaning side. So I was really looking for a brush cleaner. I didn't have a brush cleaner till yet. What I used to do was just use my hands to clean my brushes, but helps really the brushes when you swirl them on this. It helps them clean all the makeup so that they are crystal clean, free of bacteria, so that you don't get any infections. Moving on, I got a NYX palette. This is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. This is in the shade Brights Lumine. That's how it is called. So this is the palette. I was really looking for a neon kind of a palette which has beautiful colors, and I was really looking for this one, so I got hold of this one. Mostly this is out of stock, so you really have to stock it to get it. So this is how some of the colors look. The payoff is good, but I mean, I've heard a lot about this palette, but obviously once I use it, then I'll come to know how it is actually. Okay, so moving on, I got this Biotique Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm. I'm pretty sure I have shown this in my channel. One of the videos that I did, the best lip balms under rupees 200. If you haven't looked at that, definitely check that out. It will save you a lot of bucks. It will give you good recommendations on the lip balms that you get in the affordable range, and which will make your lips beautiful, lustrous, plump, and everything. So this is a lip balm that I've used and I love it. So this is just a backup to what I'm using. I'm already using this one, and I really feel that it helps lightening your discoloration if you have any on your lips. The next thing that I got is this Milani Berry Amour Baked Powder Blush. I really wanted to get blush from Milani because I've heard a lot about Milani blushes. So I'm just opening it now. I haven't even opened it. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is so freaking beautiful. Just appreciate how it looks. Oh my god, like this rose gold ring, and then you know, just how Milani is written, and this is how the back looks. I really love this, you know, how this packaging is super. And this is how the blush looks, mauvey with golden texture, so it will actually meet both the purposes of a blush as well as a highlighter, so you don't need both of them. And then, you know, it comes with its brush as well, and the quality of the brush is also super soft. It comes with its own small mirror that you can use and, you know, just check out yourself. Looks pretty dainty. Next up, I got this Maybelline, the Tone on Tone Nudes. So this is basically kind of a dual tone eyeshadow, so for people who are beginners, who you know, for something that they want on the go, which they don't have to spend a lot of time to get their eyeshadow done. So this would really come in handy. I was really you know, intrigued and excited to try this product. I haven't tried it, but it looks kind of promising. So this is how it looks. So it has you know, kind of a rectangular tip. So the idea is that you can just go like this, swipe, you know, swipe like this on your eyes, and it will give you a dual tone effect. If you can make out the lower color is a little darker, the upper one is a little lighter, so you could use this one to create a dual shadow effect on your eyes. I'm really curious to know how it really works. So next up, I got two lip liners from Maybelline. So these are the Maybelline Color Sensational lip liners. One of them is in the shade 150 Brick Red, and the other is in 110 Pure Nude. So this is how the shade looks like. This is the shade number 110, and this is the shade 150, which is a red liner with a blue undertone. It looks very beautiful, and this nude color is the love of my life. If you know, I love nudes, and this is exactly one of those nudes that I love. I'm really looking forward to use this. Love. Okay, the next thing that I got is probably also the love of my life. This is the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. I probably have shown a lot of times on my channel, but that's because I love this. This is how the pencil looks. It's so inexpensive, and it will last you months and months and months, and it gives you a very nice payoff, very nice color. I love this pencil 2 bits. So if you are on a budget, you can definitely look at eyebrow pencil. Now the packaging is like, you know, what you can expect from a 40-50 rupees thing, but yeah, I mean, it does the purpose. This brush does a little bit of job, but it's not too good. I mean, not much of use, but I think the product is really good in the price that it comes at. Just to let you know, this comes actually in 2 or 3 shades. This is the 104 light brown. It also comes in a dark brown and a medium brown, so it comes in 3 shades, so definitely check it out. Okay, so the next thing that I got is a Maybelline Line Tattoo Crayon Pen. I just realized that I got a lot of Maybelline, but I think Maybelline does a lot of good you know, products specifically for eyes. Let us see how it is, how good it is. It is very soft. It goes very softly, and it probably, I'll not say it's a jet black color, but it is a good enough color. So this is how it looks. It looks pretty nice, and it glides very softly. I'm looking forward to use it. Okay, the next thing that I got is the Mom's Company Natural Vita Rich Under Eye Cream with coffee oil, vitamin E and B3, reduces dark circles, puffiness and fine lines. I don't know about that yet, but it looked very promising to me, so I bought it. I have you know, dark circles. I've been treating my dark circles and they have reduced, but I'm looking at some product which really helps me you know, get rid of them quickly. So I guess it had good reviews, so that's why I bought it. So this has a lot of good things that I can read on the packaging. This has almond oil, aloe vera, it has niacinamide, which you know is a miracle product for every issue that you have in your skin: acne, blemishes, inflammation, anything that you can imagine. Niacinamide will just help you go through every problem in your life. I'm really looking forward to use this, and I think a good thing about Mom's Company as well is that all of these products are natural, not tested on animals. and all the good things. So yeah, really looking forward to using this one. Okay, so the next thing is another eyeshadow palette. This is Kake. I think, yeah, that's the name of the company. In the shade Autumn Spice. These were really cheap. This was like on 50% off or something like, and this was just about 300 rupees. I really grabbed it because I loved the color pattern. This has like neutrals and this, again, this mustard shade. I'm loving this one. And then it has your all warm shades, and it has 4 shimmer shades as well. I loved this palette. It was so nice. I loved it and I just bought it. So this is how the shades look like. Pretty nice. I like them. Let's quickly swatch one shimmery shade. It's beautiful. This is how it looks. It's beautiful. Oh my god, I just get so excited when I see new eyeshadows. Wow, love. So the next thing that I got is this Biotique Magic Kisses lip balm. This was pretty inexpensive, so I always look for good lip balms. So this is how it looks. Pretty nice, good packaging, and this is how it looks. It's a very light color, almost negligible, but it feels quite creamy and nice. I don't know if you can make it, but it's a very light color, but it's pretty creamy and like, I think it will be good. And also this comes with a SPF of 20, so if you're wearing it, you don't have to worry about sun making your lips darker. So yeah, it says this is translucent. Oh my god. Okay, so ignore that there was a little bit of color. So it's translucent, 12-hour moisturizing it, what it says. We will only know it once we use it. Looking forward to use it. So okay, moving on to the next thing is a lipstick from Biotique. So this is from the called Make My Lips Smack Naturally Magic Color Lipstick. This is in the shade Cookie Crumble. So something like a nude or a mauve or a brownie kind of a color. So I like all those kind of colors. So this is, yeah, it's exactly that. So sorry, this is the packaging. Pretty basic packaging, nothing special, nothing going special, but yeah, sturdy packaging, nothing wrong with the packaging. And then this is how it looks. This is how the product is. This much is the product. I like the color. So this is the color, guys. Pretty nice. So it's kind of a chocolatey, brownie, a little bit of mauvey kind of a shade. I love these kind of shades. So, and these were pretty inexpensive, but obviously the staying power and all we will come to see once we use it. But yeah, this is LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. This is in the shade Creamy Beige, CGC 973. This is how it looks. This is an OG product. I'm sure you heard about it. I have used this. This is my backup tube. So I wanted to go ahead and buy it in the sale, save some money. We all love money saving. We all love shopping when there's a sale. So I got it. It's a product that I can really, blindly trust, and I know it works for me. So that's why I got it. I already am using one, and this is just a backup. One thing that I've been trying to get my hands on, or actually wanting to get my hands on, but I was always struggling to make up my mind because it is a little costly product. So I finally got something from the Nykaa Luxe category, and this is the Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask in the variant Berry. This is an OG product. Everybody loves it. Everybody swears by it. So this is the packaging. I'm sure you've already looked at that so many times with so many people, but I finally got it, and this is how its texture looks. It looks so yummy. It smells yummy. It's a berry heaven. Oh my god, I'm so happy I finally got it. It's a expensive product for sure, guys, but I'm sure that with so many people who've used it and who love it and who swear by it, I'm really looking forward to use it. Just to also let you know, it comes with a little bit of small spatula kind of a thing, so that you don't have to put your fingers inside it and make it so you could scoop it out, use it on your lips, and probably then put it back. So guys, that was it. That was everything that I got and everything that I wanted to show you. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, notification button hit karna mat bhuliega. Ensure that you like the video and we will meet the next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.